Hi, I'm Donna, the owner of Deja New. Welcome. Deja New began 6 years ago as a space for creativity. When someone attends my class, what I want for them is to experience time out in life, to be creative and tap into their creativity and their soul. So classes are offered 5 days a week, 2 to 3 times a day in the mixed media pieces. We may use something called modeling paste, paint, fabric, shells. What I hope to inspire is joy. When they walk out the door, that they feel better than they did when they came in. I've had people say, I feel like I play like a kid, and that's what I want to hear. Stop by my creative space at any time and be inspired.